In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit code in Replit. So the first thing you want to do, once you're inside one of your apps or one of your projects over here, you want to first open up the files by clicking Open Files at the top left, and then you want to basically just find some code you would like to change. So for example, let's say this is some code over here, and you would like to import or edit some of it. So if you actually want to edit it, all you have to do is just click anywhere inside here, and then you can basically just type in whatever you want, and as you can see, I'm currently editing the code. Now, of course, you must know a bit of coding to do this, and if you want to edit it using AI, you can also click on here to open up the agent, and it's basically going to tell you what's currently going on with the code and what it generated in case you used it to generate the code. And you can basically just tell it, let's say I want this changed, I want this added, or I want this removed, or whatever you want to do, and then basically your agent will edit the code for you without you having to do any editing or coding. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.